The landscape of desktop computing has just shifted beneath our feet, and it's all thanks to a silver box that fits in the palm of your hand. For years, we've watched the Mac Mini evolve from a budget entry point into a professional-grade workhorse. But what Apple has achieved with the M5 generation in 2026 feels less like an iteration and more like a total reimagining of what a small form-factor computer can do. Imagine a world where the constraints of heat, size, and power consumption simply vanish, leaving behind nothing but pure, unadulterated performance. This is the story of the M5 Mac Mini, a machine that isn't just challenging the desktop status quo. It is actively rewriting the rules of the game for creators, developers, and power users across the globe. To understand why the M5 is causing such a seismic shock in the industry, we first have to look at the heart of the beast, the M5 Silicon. Built on an even more refined 2-nanometer process, this chip represents the absolute pinnacle of Apple's engineering prowess. We aren't just talking about a 10 or 20% bump in clock speeds. We're talking about a fundamental shift in architecture that allows for unprecedented efficiency. The M5 features a redesigned performance core that handles complex instructions with a level of fluidity that makes the previous M4 feel like it's moving through molasses. Whether you are rendering complex 3D environments, compiling millions of lines of code, or editing multiple streams of 8K ProRes video, the M5 handles it with a silence that is almost eerie. There's no fan noise, no thermal throttling, and no hesitation, just raw, immediate power. But the brilliance of the 2026 Mac Mini isn't just found in the raw benchmarks. It's found in the way it integrates into the modern workflow. Apple has finally addressed the one lingering criticism of the Mini: connectivity. The M5 model introduces a suite of Thunderbolt 5 ports that offer data transfer speeds so fast they practically eliminate the bottleneck between your external storage and your internal memory. Imagine moving terabytes of data in seconds or daisy-chaining multiple 6K Pro Display XDRs without a single dropped frame. This is the level of versatility that professionals have been begging for, and Apple has delivered it in a chassis that is sleeker and more compact than ever before. The design itself has undergone a subtle but significant refinement, with a smaller footprint that frees up even more desk space, making it the perfect centerpiece for a minimalist, high-performance setup. Let's talk about the unified memory architecture, which has seen its most significant upgrade to date. With the M5, we are seeing memory bandwidth speeds that rival dedicated high-end workstations. This isn't just about having enough RAM. It's about how quickly that RAM can communicate with the CPU and GPU. For those working in AI development or high-end cinematography, this means the Mac Mini can now handle datasets and video caches that were previously the exclusive domain of the Mac Studio or the Mac Pro. The lines between Apple's desktop tiers are blurring, and the M5 Mac Mini is the one leading the charge. It's no longer the small Mac. It's the smart Mac, the efficient Mac, and for many, the only Mac they will ever need. As we look toward the future of computing in 2026 and beyond, the M5 Mac Mini stands as a testament to the idea that greatness doesn't require a massive tower or a loud cooling system. It requires vision. It requires the courage to push the limits of silicon and the wisdom to know exactly what users need to stay productive in an increasingly demanding digital world. This machine is more than just a computer. It's a catalyst for creativity. It's the silent partner in your most ambitious projects and the reliable engine that powers your daily life. The era of the M5 has arrived, and the desktop will never be the same again. Whether you're a student looking for a machine that will last a decade or a seasoned pro needing a secondary render node, the M5 Mac Mini isn't just an option. It is the definitive choice for the next generation of computing.